Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How to Choose a Warranty for Your Bathroom Remodel. All right, folks, let's talk about something as essential as that first morning coffee warranties. When it comes to your bathroom remodel, navigating the world of warranties can feel as intricate as assembling flat pack furniture without instructions. But fear not, I'm here to break it down so you don't find yourself deep in hot water, literally. First up, understand what a warranty covers. This isn't just a glorified piece of paper, it's your golden ticket to peace of mind. You want warranties that cover both materials and labor. If anything goes haywire, like a vanity deciding it doesn't want to be wall-mounted anymore, you'll want to know you're not taking the financial hit. It's like insurance for your dream bathroom, protecting your investment from life's little surprises. The next step? Read the fine print like you're deciphering a treasure map. Contractors may offer warranties ranging from 1 to even 5 years, but it's important to know what voids them faster than a popped balloon. Make sure you adhere to any maintenance schedules they require, even if it feels like ensuring your pet cactus stays healthy. And I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Make sure they offer a clear and comprehensive warranty. If they hesitate or seem vague about warranties, consider it your cue to backflip out of there. A clear warranty speaks volumes about their confidence in workmanship and quality. Ask about manufacturer warranties on the fixtures and appliances themselves. Often, these can be more generous and longer lasting than the contractor's warranty. That high-end shower head you fancy? Make sure it's got a backup plan that extends beyond bedtime stories. Now let's talk claims. Understand the process for claims and repairs. Some warranties promise the moon in terms of coverage, but taking advantage of it is harder than securing a lunch date with a celebrity chef. Ask explicitly how claims are handled and whether it's the contractor or the manufacturer stepping in. Finally, check online reviews or talk to past clients about their warranty experiences. There's nothing like a first-hand account to set your expectations or to make sure you're getting what's promised. Choosing the right warranty means less fretting about potential future headaches and more enjoyment of your spa-like bathroom retreat. With a solid warranty, you'll know your remodel is not just stunning, but safeguarded against the unexpected. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.